But it's the whole point. We broke, so we trying new shit. Who knows? It might work, might not work. If it works, cool. If it doesn't work, we're gonna sell the cars and keep flipping them. So, problem and solution. The problem right now, we don't have any fucking money. We don't have the freedom that we want. The solution, we need more money to get the freedom that we want. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. See you on the next one. Damn. I hope this shit don't have transmission problem. We're gonna get higher a little bit just to slow things down. Alright, so let's go. What's going on, guys? Boosted Villain here, and today we're gonna make some fucking money. Let's get into it. We back. Hope you're having a good day. Right now, we're rushing to go to the hood to pick up a vehicle to get it ready for Turo. We just got this vehicle, so hopefully everything is all good with it. But right now, we got a good 30-minute drive. We're about to meet up with the driver right now. Let's fucking go. My thing is, if he can get one, we can get one. You get what I'm saying? This motherfucker not special. Yeah, the car look nice, but guess what? If he can get one, we're gonna get one. And guess what? We're not gonna stop until we have the fucking Lambos. And even when we do have the fucking Lambos, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go after the jets. The sky is the limit. Let's fucking go. So guys, the car is fucking here, and so far it's looking pretty nice. It's looking all clean. It's a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. We about to get it right now. Alright, so we just started the car. There's no ticking sound, which is really good, because if you know anything about these Hyundais, after a certain point, they start making ticking sound. But we good on this one, so it looked like we don't need basic maintenance, and we should be good to go for Turo. We don't have to do much, so that was a good buy. It was pretty expensive, but it was a good buy. Damn. I hope this shit don't have transmission problem. So guys, I don't think it's a transmission issue. I think I scanned the car, and we having a code for the output shaft speed sensor. So we're gonna replace that and see if anything changed. But right now, before we do that, we gotta wait for another car. There's another Hyundai that's gonna pull up possibly today. But right now, we're going to the park. We're gonna get higher a little bit just to slow things down. All right, so let's go. So we gotta wait for the 2014 Hyundai to come through, and guess what? We just got another fucking Tesla, bro. We just got a Tesla Model S, and that shit is super nice. I can't wait to get this shit. It's all the way in Boston, but in a couple days, it's gonna be here. So right now, fucking meditating, man. We're meditating, we're chilling. We don't have to stress, because you don't have to take life so serious, bro. Take a step back and just chill. You dig? All right, guys, so I had to remove the valve body from the transmission. Let me show you. So we have to remove the valve body, remove the sensor. Now we just gotta order the sensor, put it in, and we're gonna test it and see what happens. So, all right. So we got a total of 5 cars that we gotta get ready. We have 3 Hyundais and 1 Tesla Model S, and we have a Jeep Cherokee. All these cars, we gotta get them ready to put them on the platform so we can try to make money. What is the whole point? We broke, so we're trying new shit. Who knows? It might work, might not work. If it works, cool. If it doesn't work, we're gonna sell the cars and keep flipping them. So, problem and solution. The problem right now, we don't have any fucking money. We don't have the freedom that we want. The solution, we need more money to get the freedom that we want. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. See you on the next one.